How to turn on color correction, of course, where to find it, and this is for a Motorola phone with Android 15. Whether you want to turn it on or just curious to know about it, use the quick access like this here and tap on the settings right there to the bottom right. Once you reach here, go into the search settings and type in the words color correction. This is the fastest way to find this feature, and almost every Android phone has this feature. Once you start typing the words correct, you'll see that it's going to show up. Tap on it one time and it'll flash where to go next. As you tap on it, it'll take you exactly where you need to go, and you can come here and turn it on. Keep in mind there is a on and off switch for the feature and also a shortcut in which you can access at any given time. So by turning this on, you'll notice that these colors here are different, and also you'll notice that the colors on your phone is also different now. So coming back here, choosing another option, for example, like this here, you'll notice that you will have some more like this here, more of that pinkish violet red. And then you got this one here like that. You can also enter into the gray scale, in which everything on your phone becomes black and white. This is different from bedtime mode and also any filter that are used for your display. So if you're looking for this feature as well, this is actually one way of having your phone appear in black and white colors. The shortcut would basically allow you to just have this quick access here, and you can come back and turn it on and off at any given time. And in some cases, it can also be found in your quick access for faster access, and of course, turn it on and off at any given time. And that's it for color correction. Like and sub.